To start with your job posting, log into your account first, then click on the Job Post button located on the top right corner. If you do not have any packages, you will be asked to select one at this point to get started. Choose the option which best suits your needs, then click on the Get Started button below the option. At this point, you will be asked to provide details related to your job posting. Fields with an asterisk indicates mandatory fields. Remember to enter your contact information in the job description section. Fill out all other additional job details, such as company name, job category, salary, and etc. Once all the information have been filled out, click on the Save and Preview button located on the bottom. Preview of your job posting will be shown before you decide to submit your posting. Review all the information to ensure they are all correct. Expiration date of the job posting will be automatically calculated based on when you submit the job and which package you have purchased. If everything looks correct, click on Submit Job to continue. Since we did not have an existing package in this example, we will be purchasing single package to post our job. Once you've filled out all the necessary billing information, click on Place Order to finalize your order. You will receive a confirmation once the order has been submitted. If the payment was successful, your job posting will become live instantly, and you will have the option to view your job post. For more information and other tutorials, please visit our website.